Hey guys, how's it going? It's your boy, the Hood Tutor. I'm back at it again. And today we're going to be asking ChatGPT about the 10 commandments of investing in crypto. And then look at, the advice that we get from ChatGPT and see if the advice is good or not. Or if we can add our own 2 cents to it, right? So let's go right ahead and see the advice that we get from ChatGPT. What are the 10 commandments of crypto investment? Let's see where we get. Okay, says as an AI, do not promote, endorse, blah, blah, blah. Here are 10 general principles that some investors may consider when investing in cryptocurrency. Okay, so number 1 says, do your own research. We have heard this a million times. Every crypto YouTube channel that promotes some type of investment always talks about doing your own research, right? So that has to be a good advice, right? Doing your own research tells you, it helps you understand what the project is about, what timelines the project may have, what product if the project already has a product out, right? How maybe you can interact with the product to see if the product is good or not, right? Who is in the team? Doing your research tells you all about this. So let's see what ChatGPT says about this. It said, before investing in any cryptocurrency, thoroughly research the project team, technology, and market trends. Yes, you want to do all that research to see if the team is not just, or if the project is not just a money grab project. And then right after maybe investments, they do a rug pull. You don't want to do that, right? And then researching will help you avoid that kind of rug pull. I'm not saying that will help you totally avoid every rug pull, but that will certainly help you avoid some rug pulls. So doing your own research is definitely good. Number 2 says diversify your portfolio. Yes, you also don't want to put all your egg in one basket, right? If you go put all your dollars into it could be any project, right? But say you invested in Shiba, right, or any other project that could have been considered as a shitcoin. If you do that and that specific project fails, there goes your money, right? They've split you from your money. You don't want to do that. So do diversify, and also only invest with money that you can afford to lose. I guess that's something I should be adding here. If ChatGPT doesn't add it, I'm adding it here. Hopefully we see it in one of the pointers that we get from ChatGPT. But only invest money that you can afford to lose, because crypto is as volatile as it gets. It's literally the gold rush, right? So there isn't any set laws, or it's only more recently that, we're getting, some slow, gradual regulation, but we don't have, crypto is not as regulated as the regular market is, the regular stock market, right? So it's it's a gold rush. So do your own research, diversify your portfolio. Number 3 says, invest what you can afford to lose. Yes, that's exactly what I was talking about, right? Invest what you can afford to lose, because if you go selling your house, or you put your house or mortgage into crypto and crypto fails, that could be you on the streets. You don't want to find yourself in that kind of situation. Don't go taking off your children's trust fund to come invest in crypto. Don't do that. No. Only invest the money you can afford to lose. So that's a nugget of gold right there. Number 3. Number 4 says have a long-term perspective. Yes. The mistake that I've seen people make in crypto investment is they come in during the bull run, they put money in there, and then they see crypto go right back down into the shithole, or into the right back into winter, right? And they get scared and sell right when the crypto prices fall. You don't want to do that. No. Once you put money into crypto, do have a long-term perspective. Long-term perspective means that once you put the money in there, even if the price drops, you're not going to lose your head and, sell and lose money. You only sell or you only lose when you sell, right? I mean, I'm not sure if you've heard that term before, but don't sell. Just let the money ride, right? And see, maybe within the next bull run, something that the money that you thought you lost could double, could triple, this is crypto. It can 10x, 100x, 1,000x, right? That's possible. I've seen crypto investments. I've seen some go. I've seen 1,000,000% before, right? I'm not saying that's going to be you getting that 1,000,000%. I mean, those are like the outlier cases, but people have seen those kind of percentages before. So it is possible, but is that going to happen to you? Probably not, right? But even if it doesn't happen to you on a bull run, you could probably see a 2x. I mean, that's not too far fetched. You could see a 2x, you could see a 3x. I mean, that's within the realm of possibility, right? So that's something to keep in mind. Another thing, right? Another thing I've seen people do is, going back to number 4, instead of perhaps, maybe waiting. I mean, the crypto winters are perhaps, some of the best times to buy, because you have all these projects at a discount. Well, not all of them, right? Some of the projects that are at a discount are going to fail. So that's going to be a money loss, right? Or at least a loss in an investment, right? But if you find a good project during a winter, crypto winter, and invest in, those are truly, truly some of the best times to invest, right? When prices drop, the great or the good projects, I mean, only look at it as a discounted project. You're getting to buy it at a discount. So also keep that in mind. Number 5 says, have a clear exit strategy. Oh, this is good. Yes, have a clear exit strategy. Don't try to aim to sell at the top. You don't know what the top is, right? I don't think there's only few. I mean, if anybody tells you they know what the top is, they're either bullshitting you, or they don't know themselves well enough to know that this is something that, I'm not sure if I know anyone that can predict the top. So do keep that in mind. Have a clear exit strategy. An exit strategy for you could be, hey, once I get a 2x, that could be my exit, right? If I get a 3x, that could be my exit. Don't sit there and try to sell at the top, because no one knows the top, right? So have your own strategy, and know, what's good enough for you to exit, right? Once you know that, then you can exit before the shitstorm, may hit the fan. Or maybe before shit starts hitting the fan. Number 6 says, be aware of market volatility. I mean, crypto, like I said in the beginning, it doesn't get any more volatile than that. I mean, this is literally, the gold rush, right? So every scammer is coming out of the woodworks, right, with a project. I mean, we have seen every freaking project from Safe Moon to, I'm not going to mention names here, but we've seen every freaking, project. Some projects are literally just money grab projects. And as soon as they collect the money, they disappear, right? So be aware of that. Crypto, has a great deal of volatility. It goes one day, you may be seeing an all-time high. The following month, you could be seeing an all-time low. So crypto has that kind of volatility, right? And a lot of people also maybe lives on that kind of volatility. People make a lot of money from that volatility. If you know what you're doing, that volatility could actually work to your advantage, right? So being aware of that volatility is going to serve you well. The number 7 says, choose a secure wallet. Yes, we have seen a lot of crypto exchanges get hacked, and all the money gets stolen, right? And in more recent times, we've even seen we've seen some projects that I'm not gonna mention here, where the CEO or the top guys were using money that they had no business using, right? Investing and using it to do a whole bunch of risky businesses that resulted in the fall of the company, right? And so you don't want to be that guy. I mean, have a private wallet to store. I mean, not just a private, any private wallet. Have some of the best private wallets to store your crypto in. And if not, store it in a cold wallet. Number 8 says, keep your private key secure. Yes, keep your private key secure. And I mean, not your keys, not your money, right? I mean, we've heard that term before. So make sure that you do maintain your own private keys, because if it's not your key, it's probably, that money can disappear at any point. So do make sure you have that in mind. You keep that in mind. And then number 9 says follow regulatory compliance. Be aware of the regulatory framework in your country and comply with it to avoid legal issues. Yes, like I mentioned in the beginning, right? Crypto is a new field. Regulation has been slow in coming, but I think it's coming. It'll be gradual. But eventually, I think crypto will be regulated, and we'll have a clear perspective, a clear horizon as to what some of the issues that we face now is, and hopefully these issues will be addressed soon. When I say soon, no one really knows what soon is, right? But we're hoping that it's soon rather than later, so that some of these scams that we've seen can be avoided in the future. And the last point here is stay updated. Stay informed about the latest developments in the cryptocurrency market, including news, regulatory changes, technology upgrades. This will help you make informed investment decisions. Yes. That's a great point, right? I think knowledge is power. We've all heard that knowledge is power, and that couldn't be true even in investment. I think that idea, or that adage is really true in investment, right? Because the projects that you buy, the companies that even comparing that against regular market, right? The companies that you buy, depending on how much you know about the company, how much research you do about the company, and how updated you are with that with information, you can use that to your advantage. I've seen people buy companies just because they had a great quarter, right? And so that means that once the quarter is reported, the stock price might actually go up a bit, right? Because they did so well in the last quarter. But likewise, some people have also known that maybe some company did terrible in the last quarter, so they know that once the report comes out, that maybe the company's price or the stock price might slump a bit, right? And so knowing these sort of information, staying updated, always helps out in terms of using the knowledge to your advantage to profit from either whether that be the crypto market or the stock market. Always staying up to date is going to help you benefit. So that's what we have for this one, guys. I'm going to keep this video quite short. If you have any questions, feel free to drop a comment in the comment section, and do subscribe to the channel. We have a great deal of bangers, finally drop on this channel. So stay on this channel, subscribe to the channel, and be on the lookout for some of the bangers that we're going to be dropping soon. Later. Bye.